I found these wood butterfly cutouts from Hobby Lobby. They came 12 in a pack with 2 different sizes. And then I have some vinyl paper that you can find at Dollar Tree. They have many different colors and patterns. And I'm going to cut the vinyl so that it will be big enough to set on top of the butterfly. Now I have 2 different colors that I'm going to be using, and I will also be using 2 small butterflies and 2 large butterflies. I'm going to take my vinyl and I'm going to lay it out on my wood cutout, and then I'm going to take a pair of scissors and just cut around the butterfly cutout. To remove the excess vinyl easily, I'm going to take a piece of sandpaper and just lightly sand around the wood cutout, and this will remove all of the extra vinyl paper. You can also trace your butterfly on the back side of the vinyl and then just use your scissors to cut it out. But I felt this was a very easy way to get all of that extra vinyl off without having to make a perfect cut to make sure that the vinyl laid on there nicely. And I did this to all 4 butterflies. Next, I have a pack of these toy butterflies. I got them out of the kids section at the dollar store, and it's just like a mini butterfly collection. They had them in all different colors, and although these colors are very pretty, I'm going to spray paint them with my Krylon Shortcut white spray paint, and I did give those 2 coats. I'm then going to take these wood banner cutouts that I get from Michaels and the word hello, and I'm going to paint the wood banners with some Wise Owl Snow Owl, and those got 2 coats. And then I'm going to paint the word hello with some of the metallic gold paint from Wise Owl. And I'm going to allow that to dry. Once that was dry, I took my Elmer's wood glue and I glued each letter onto one of the banners. I found this colored cord at my local dollar store, and one of the colors matched the butterfly vinyl perfectly, and I'm just going to string on the hello banner that we created. I'm then going to tie that on this wired wreath form that I had found from Target, and I'm going to start in the top left section of the ring, and I'm just making a knot, and I'll cut off any extra jute, and then I'm going to have it go across the wreath form, tying the other end on the other side. I'm then going to glue my butterflies on top of each other, so I'm going to take the smaller one and stack it on top of the larger one and hold those in place with some hot glue. I will then use some hot glue to adhere those to the wreath form as well. You can also use some E6000. I did feel like the hot glue worked well, but I decided to flip it over, and then you can just put a lot of extra hot glue on the wired area to hold the butterfly onto the wreath form better. And then you just want this to fully dry before you flip it back over. Once the glue was dry, then flipped it back over, and I'm going to take the butterflies that we had spray painted with the white, and I'm going to go around the entire wreath form with the butterflies. And I'll adhere those down with some of the hot glue as well. Now you can leave it like this, or I decided to take more of the Wise Owl metallic paint, and I'm going to just lightly brush on some of the gold. Now you could pick any colors of your choice. I just felt like this added a nice little extra touch to all of the butterflies. And there we go. Now we just have this very easy Hello Butterfly wreath. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Paint products, tissue paper transfers, and mesh stencils can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also check out other tutorials on our webpage as well. Have a great day.